Hey guys, it's Jamice with oolalablog.com, a fashion and lifestyle blog. Right now you're watching me smile, dance around with one of my favorite dogs, my girl Miss Thang. She is one half of my dog duo, the Two Live Crew, and we're excited, y'all, because my Christmas tree is finally up. I've been trying to get this Christmas tree up since Black Friday. And this whole process took me through a few things. And right now, I am going to share that process with you guys from beginning to end. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. I bought this 9-foot artificial spruce tree from Amazon. I bought it November 24th. It was delivered on December 3rd. Getting it out the box and putting it together was pretty simple. It was not hard. I did this all by myself. But y'all, I started freaking out. Look at the tree. It looked It looked like it needs to eat, honey. This tree was looking real scrawny. But I remember reading in the reviews on Amazon that you had to really fluff out the tree. So I did a good job of fluffing out the tree, especially at the bottom and in the middle. But as I make my way up to the top, I feel like there's a lot of gaps a little bit. So I need to go back through and keep fluffing at the top. And I can tell you, I did all of this fluffing last night and it took me at least 2 hours to do all this fluffing to get this tree like as full as it looks right now. So I still got a lot more work to do, and I'll do that when I get off work. I'm on my lunch break right now, so when I get off work, I'll come back and fluff a little bit more, and then I can start putting decorations on my tree. So yeah, I think it looks really good. It's really good. It's really good. I like it. So I did not buy a tree that was pre-lit, so that required me buying some Christmas lights to add to my tree. I almost did not buy Christmas lights. So the lights are all intertwined in these branches. I thought it was going to match a little bit better, but I think it'll be just fine. I wanted green so it could blend in with the branches, but that's not the case. But I think I'll be okay. Anyway, this was 300 lights, but now I am out. So this last little piece of the tree needs some light. So I'm gonna go out and buy some more lights. Hopefully I can find some, because the only thing I've been seeing in the stores is the multicolored lights. And I don't want multicolored lights. I want, of course, the clear lights. Hopefully I can find some. Otherwise, this bottom part of the tree won't have lights. It is what it is. I mean, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. But I'm about to go and check on that, get more lights, hopefully, and find a tree skirt. Y'all, I can't find a cute tree skirt. And I can't find those tree collars y'all been getting. I don't know where. So the lights are on the tree. Don't mind how I got them on here. Don't worry about that. That ain't important. The lights are on the tree. And that step is over. And now I can start. Y'all, I called my dad on FaceTime. And he was like, damn, the tree's still green. Ain't no decorations on it. No decorations yet. So it is what it is. But we making progress. Seriously though, I don't know how I got these damn things on here. Just be still and let God use you, okay? So at this point, I am adding more decorations to the tree. For the most part, all the decorations are on there, but I have a few more little metallic balls that I'm adding to the tree, and that's what you're watching right now. I did run out of hooks, so I had to go back to Walmart to buy hooks. And I think the hooks that I bought from Walmart are good, but the ones I bought from Michael's are better. I have large ball ornaments. I have small ones. I have some in between. They are sparkly. I have the embellished ones. I have snowflakes. I have flowers. I have reindeers. There's so many different types of decorations on this tree. There's so many different sizes. I love it. I actually feel like I could add more ornaments to the tree. I may could have done a better job of trying to position them and figure out where I want everything to go. But for the most part, I really love the tree. Voila. The tree is up, it's done, and it is so beautiful. I really love it. I'm so glad I went with this color scheme. Silver, gold, white. It was easy for me to find ornaments in these colors because it's more of a traditional color, even though when we say traditional, we're thinking red and green, but the metallics are really big when it comes to Christmas decor. And I really like that I added a lot of sparkle elements and embellished elements to the tree. It really pops, especially with the lights on. And I went with a clear light, not so much of a white light. And I really, really like it. Now, once I learn how to really use the ribbon and intertwine that in a way that's super cute, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. You hear me? Right now, I have about 300 to 400 ornaments on this tree. And I'm not kidding, y'all. I kind of want to add a few more to the tree, but I'm going to leave it be because buying all these Christmas decorations, it was not cheap at all. Now, I caught a lot of good sales from At Home on Black Friday. They had really good sales. It was buy one, get 50% off. And it was just that day, if I'm not mistaken. I also found a few things at Michael's, but not a lot. And then the rest of the ornaments I got from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Walmart. I also got my stockings from Walmart. I saw some cute ones at Home, but I needed a sale, so I didn't buy those. But the ones I picked up from Walmart are still equally cute. It allowed me to add a little more white into my look. I also have those cute little gift boxes underneath the tree. I picked those up from TJ Maxx and also Marshall's. My tree skirt, that came from Ross. And those cute little reindeers that I have up on my console also came from At Home. So overall, I'm very happy with my Christmas look. My mom even told me it was gorgeous, so I know I did a great job. And my girls, the 2 Live crew, they have been really good about it as well. They haven't really been touching the ornaments, so good for my girls. And I want to know, do you have your Christmas tree up yet? Did you decide to put a Christmas tree up? Let's talk about it. Let me know if you like my tree or if you have any questions about some ornaments that you saw. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.